Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Yo, watch him get a charter a while ago. From drive past a taxi boy with the batty man them. I go down and catch him lights plate and catch him face. I'm gonna see some boy, a batty boy. Yeah, man, I just I want to catch him lights plate. I'm gonna catch him. Yeah, man, like them stick him up as hostage or something going on with him. Look down the sewer, I go and look here. Look here. You good? Eh? Watch out. Look at them and say him no good. How you go on, Jay?
Uncle, watch out him say, my name work, I don't want him phone, say my phone uncle.
Yeah.
You know, so when I fuck around here, my name work, him say I have 5 bills, I see him with a bag of money. Don't have to pay my money, tell the truth, though?
Hold on, I'm
5 bills different. You know the girl them there, uncle. Same phone, I'm a gear for game. Him don't want to show in the wallet if him have the money. Him give him $2 grand. Uncle, you know, if the police them come, him have to give them a crime at the machine, though.
So him not getting the money?
Look how him throw 2,000. And the 2,000
I
from
can't give me
service.
phone, I'm a phone.
Uncle, you can all park up here, so I don't want him phone.
So how much?
My phone, yeah? It's 9.
So how much
I
it?
don't want him phone.
So $2 grand and not enough.
2,000 for blow job and 3 for fuck, and him fuck me. Him forgive me the 3 grand. I don't want him phone, uncle. You understand?
Yeah.
Make him show you another wallet, uncle, if him have the money.
Give me phone, please.
Him have the money, uncle, you know, say if I the girl, I mean, I know Kingston, them not in a debate, though. Them a run and hide and jump over fence and go on, though, and take him phone, though. Him not give me back my money.
You know, say, now money in pocket, I'm going to 8 grand, brother.
You not give me no 8 grand.
I'm going to give you money, too.
You can't time a war with her and broke
No,
her
I'm going to
finger
give me
nail.
a phone, because I'm a phone.
So,
That's alright. To get $2 grand, I'm going to
Call the
$2 to
police,
them.
call the police, the side of my policewoman. Call the side of my policewoman and make sure come out here and crowd and half a tree for my money worse man at thief out here.
so but me no.
Can you give me 5 bills, please, me girl?
Yo, me not have the money, brother.
Uncle him have money. Show in the wallet.
No money in your wallet.
Don't if you don't have the money, don't you would have show the wallet? Don't if you don't have the money, I show your wallet, you're general. Unfair, you're unfair. People have
I say my unfair, right?
Yeah.
Say my unfair, right? Me give the money, I'm give the silver then.
I'm not getting no silver. I look like tacky girl for take silver to car.
So
Bust the wallet.
so through him say him get $2 grand.
Write down the company number and the license. Make sure you have the license on your car.
Me no.
And him know say me a man.
Yeah, man.
Say it's a battery excitement out of now.
Lord God. And him fuck?
So I'm not fucking on my battery.
Him fucking everybody?
Yeah.
Not real life?
Be nice.
Lord God, Jesus Christ.
Come to my youth and send me the silk on you. Remember you have your son.
TAXIMAN, better you can't give me him money.
Uncle, you know say if for them not in a debate with him dog. And him a real and a dip up and a go on. Me not in a dip, just pay me.
So I pep Jesus Christ, him fucking anal.
Give me $1 grand, I'm going to go up on some gate, but me $1 grand in my wallet.
Banana money, brother.
Uncle, come out of the road. Come to my youth.
Well, it look like them hold either the phone hostage or the man himself hostage. You see it? For all who see this and really not understand, because people intend to see things and still not believe it and hear it and still not understand it. You see me? This is a scene of a man that hired prostitutes, right? Which you don't know what prostitute is all about, right? The job what them do. But some payment between him and these transgendered prostitutes. You see what I say? Yeah. If you listen clearly, make sure you tell us that he's a man. Why me I tell you? Well, this one go show you what really are going on the streets of Jamaica. You see it? You don't see it. Well, Jamaica really changed. Like really changed. Big time. But anyways, I don't know, it's not for me to judge. As I say, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, let me know what you think. You don't know, so me always try to keep on up to date what happen on social media, and that me just do. My name is Skilla, and this is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see it.